Yo, what's up guys? Today I'll be working on my WRX once again because I gotta change the coil packs. As you guys saw, all 4 cylinders were misfiring, which is pretty insane. But I mean, now all I gotta do is change the coil packs, which should be pretty easy, honestly. Like, spark plugs definitely should be harder than doing coil packs, which spark plugs honestly weren't that bad for me, as you guys saw in my video. So I'm just gonna get straight into doing this. I'm gonna do it pretty fast, and hopefully I can get it fixed pretty fast. Yeah, so I already got both the things off, battery and that. So I'm gonna get down to these coil packs, and I'm gonna see if they're plugged in properly first before I buy new ones. But I'm pretty sure I did it right. Like, it's not that hard, so yeah. Alright guys, so I got this coil pack out, and it does not look that bad honestly, but I can tell it's pretty old. It was pretty easy. All you have to do is unclip it from like right here, and there's a little white piece down here, and so yeah, it was not that bad. But I'm gonna run up to AutoZone and get more. Well, I'm gonna see if they even have coil packs for sale and buy all 4 of them, so I can change out all 4 of them right now. But if they don't have it, then I guess I have to wait until they get some in. Advanced Auto Parts. I feel like I'm here like once a week at least. Yeah, so Advanced Auto Parts did not have one, so we are gonna try AutoZone and O'Reilly's, and if they don't have any, but then we're gonna have to order them, and I can't do it today, which would suck. Alright, so I have both coil packs already taken out on this side, and on this side I was shaking them just to make sure that they're in there tight. I did that for all of them, which they all seem like they're pretty tight, but when I came over to this one, you can see, yeah, I came over to this coil pack and you can see that I went and shook this to see if it was tight, and it feels tight, but this immediately came unplugged. And look at this wire, guys. Like, it's like, it was like, this is like some gunky stuff on there. Like, this was like kind of haggard. This could be my problem right here, but this coil pack itself doesn't even look like it's in good shape either. Like, the whole thing just looks pretty bad, and as you guys can see right there. Alright, so I went ahead and took both the coil packs out, and now I have all the coil packs right here. And this is the one that we were looking at, and look at this, guys. This is like literally melted. You see this right now? Like, this coil pack looks so bad. Like, oh man, I don't even know how this was even working in the first place. Honestly, it looks terrible to me. But yeah, so I'm pretty sure this coil pack and that wire, whatever, was my problem. So we are definitely gonna have to fix this. But if you guys notice, we never got new coil packs. Like, no place had them. They're actually gonna be here tomorrow at O'Reilly's. So tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. I'm gonna head over and get them and then bring them back and install them. But I'm not gonna make that a separate video, make that all in one video. Alright guys, so I put the coil packs back in the car, and my car is running good again with no codes. So it is that one, I'm pretty sure it's just that one coil pack that is loose because of that, the connector. I think if I drive so fast that the engine's working and everything, and somehow it disconnects itself, like the coil pack disconnects itself, it's not good. But tomorrow I should be having coil packs coming in, and I'm gonna go ahead and replace all 4 coil packs anyways. But yeah, so my car it's good now. Like, it is good to date, like, just drive it, and it's not gonna be misfiring, no codes or anything. But I need to be careful that if I drive hard, it might come out and it might start misfiring. If it does that, I'll just slowly drive her home and go through this process again. I might have to, like, I don't know, like rig it in a way with a zip tie or something, and it might start working doing that. So not too sure yet, but I know after I get this all done, I'm gonna clean my engine bay. Like, it looks pretty good right now, but I'm gonna completely clean it. I kind of want to take this bracket off and like sandpaper this and repaint this bracket and everything. I want my engine to look really good, like brand new. But yeah, I'll come back to you guys tomorrow when I have the coil packs to install. See you then. What is up, everybody? It is the next day now, and I got all my things in. Look at this. So I got my 4 new coil packs, all new. They came with new bolts as well, which is awesome. And guys, I wanted to show you this before I got started. Look at this. If we go to my spark plug video, and if you go and pause it at like 6 minutes and 14 seconds, you will notice, you will see that my thing is actually zip tied on there. Like, you see, remember I was showing you guys this? Look, it was previously zip tied, and that's how it wasn't coming off. But then obviously I removed it to replace the spark plugs in this video. But I honestly did not even notice that at all when I did it. But yeah, hopefully with these new coil packs, I won't have that problem. I won't have to zip tie it. That plug might be messed up though, so I might have to zip tie it. But if I have to zip tie it, obviously it worked before and it held up this entire time without me knowing, so it should work again. Alright guys, I really hope this is my last time ever doing this because I've already done this multiple times. But yeah, so this is my toolbox. If you guys were ever wondering about this, like this has a lot of tools in it, metric and non-metric. I have random parts in here too I don't even know. Yeah, this is a pretty good setup and I would recommend getting this if you're like new to working on cars or whatever. You have some missing parts, but it's not that bad. So the battery and all this stuff is already off, so I can easily get to all of the coil packs like all around. I've already done this before on a video. It's not even that hard anymore. Like, well, it wasn't even hard the first time I did it, really, honestly. But yeah, so this, remember, this is the clip that is messed up, that we might even have to zip tie. It might be too messed up. We're gonna find out though. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking all these coil packs off. All right, so the first coil pack is off, and as you can see, these ones look so much dirtier, and these ones are all blacked out and everything. This is gray and like has that gloss finish to it on the side, and this bolt and everything, like, it looks so good. I'm glad I have all 4 new coil packs because these ones are like pretty aged, like these, because these are the original coil packs. 183,000 miles on all 4 of my old ones, but the engine itself still has 83,000 miles, guys. Whenever you do the Japanese engine swap, a lot of parts have to swap from the USDM motor to the Japanese motor, and these were one of the things that needed to be replaced. Well, I mean, transferred along with fuel injectors and other things, so I'm actually have to do fuel injectors sometime. And about 5 minutes later, I have all 4 of the old coil packs off, and the new one's right next to it, so this shouldn't be hard at all to install. I'm glad I came with new bolts. I'm so glad I came with new bolts. It's awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap these bad boys on and my car should be mint. Alright guys, so this is the coil pack I was worried about because this clip that was melted along with the coil pack itself was melted too. But look, it clipped in and it is not coming out. You guys see this? Well, I can easily push down and pull it off. But like it actually clips in, and if I pull on the wire, it does not come out. It's in there snug. So I don't have to worry about zip tying this on there at all. This new coil pack is actually really good, and I think I'm gonna be good. I'm not gonna have any more misfires or anything. So let's get into this. Alright, so just like that, my car is now finished. All I gotta do is put everything back together. I'm gonna show you though, all the coil packs. So that's the first coil pack. You can clearly see it's plugged in. It doesn't move at all when you shake it and all that. Same with the other one. Here's the one that's supposed to be the hardest one to get to, which is all plugged in, doesn't shake. So everything is looking good. Same with on this side as well. I'm gonna come in here and look. Both of these look pretty good. That clip is not moving this time. It's not gonna come unplugged. I'm not gonna misfire anymore because I'm still pretty sure that's what caused all my cylinders to misfire, is that right there. Whenever on my old one, like I said before. But yeah, so they both look pretty good and in place. So we are gonna go ahead. Alright, time to put my toolbox away because we are finished up. Yes, I am so ready, guys. Now my car should finally actually be good. Alright guys, so this is gonna be first startup. Let's start quick, like really quick. Oh, my engine's shaking, guys. This is not good. I don't think it's good. I might have to put the old coil packs back on, because I can already feel it's shaking, which is not good at all. I don't know why it should be shaking. It shouldn't be shaking, guys. Why is it shaking? Cylinder 2 misfire detected. Oh my god, guys. I don't know why it would be misfiring. Like, I checked them all. They're all tight. Everything was plugged in. My last coil packs, they did not cause me a misfire. It was just that connection that wasn't plugged in correctly. So my car was running fine just before this. I could have just zip tied that coil pack down and I wouldn't be misfiring right now. But I tried putting these new coil packs in. For some reason I have a misfire now on cylinder 2. Now I just went ahead and put the old coil pack in on cylinder 2. Let's see if it does it now. Oh. There we go, now it's running smooth. No shakiness. Yeah, why did the new coil pack not work? I'm not too sure. I'm about to turn my car off and try putting the new one in again. Alright, old coil pack is out. The new one is in once again, guys. And I know for a fact it is plugged in correctly. I can't even find it. Alright, but yeah, it's in there. Yeah, this does not work. I'm definitely going to return this coil pack and just keep the old one on. Let's find out. Oh no. No codes are found, guys. There we go. All coil packs are in and they are working. I don't know why it didn't work the first time. That is so weird. But yeah, it's all in. It works. Let's give it some braps. Yep, I think we are all good. We are finally good. No more misfire, guys. We are done with the misfire life. Alright guys, I've been driving her for a while now. It's like getting later on in the day. It's been pretty nice out all day, which has been nice. But my car has been running great, but I'm still gonna put it back down to 91 octane stage 2. So it's still gonna be stage 2 tune, but I'm gonna put it down to 91 octane until I fix my turbo exhaust situation I have going on. Because my cab support is showing a little bit of a knock, but it's not really that bad, and I'm pretty sure it's false knocks. Like, I'm not actually getting rod knocks or anything. It's just the exhaust not mounted properly onto my turbo because of rusted bolts that are broken off in the turbo. Not like in the turbo itself, but you know what I mean, like where you install the downpipe at. Yeah, that happened back when the engine was swapped a year ago. But yeah, that is it. Please give this video a thumbs up and peace out.